Dennis Padilla, sinabi ng makapal ang anak na si Julia Barreto. Malaki ang sama ng loob ng aktor na si Dennis Padilla sa naging trato sa kanya sa kasal ng kanyang anak na si Claudia Barreto. Matatandaan nitong Martes nang ikasal si Claudia sa longtime boyfriend niyang si Basti Lorenzo na dinaluhan ni Dennis. Mas lalo pang nairita ang netizens kay Dennis dahil pati si Julia Barreto ay nadamay din ng magkomento ang aktor sa post ng anak sa Instagram tungkol sa endorsement nito. Kapal ninyo ang sabi ni Dennis, pero binura rin niya ito ng mahimasmasan na. Kaya magkakaroon na naman ng sugat sa puso si Julia sa ginawa ng ama. Marami namang netizens ang pumanig sa mga anak ni Dennis Padilla. Samantala, may open letter na payo ang isang concerned netizen kay Dennis bilang father of the bride. Narito ang kanyang buong pahayag para sa komedyante. To the father of the bride, you were invited. That should have been enough. Your daughter gave you a seat at her wedding. Despite the distance. Despite the years. She still let you in. That was her way of showing respect. But instead of holding that moment with grace, you chose to speak out. Not to her. Not in private. But to everyone else. You said you felt disrespected. But respect isn't earned through noise. The wedding wasn't about you. It was her day. Her moment. You were there. That was already more than some fathers get. You could have stayed quiet. You could have made it about her. But you didn't. She gave you a chance. You turned it into a scene. That's not what fathers do. Respect cannot be demanded. It is earned. Sa ngayon ay hindi lang ito isang beses ginawa ni Dennis sa kanyang anak na ipahiya sa social media at sabihin ang mga private conversations nila. Kaya naman hindi nila magawang mapatawad ang ama sa mga ginagawa nito. Anong masasabi niyo sa balitang ito? Comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panonood at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe for more videos.